Naghanap ka ba ng budget mechanical keyboard? Wireless at saka good looking. At nasa budget ka. Now, let me introduce you to RAKK Pluma. At nabili ko to siya for 1,419 peso sa Lazada. Vouchers and shipping fee included. So, let's review this unit right now. So, na-unbox ko na yung keyboard itself. So, sasabihin ko na lang kung ano yung nakuha ko sa loob. Upon opening the box, makikita mo agad yung keyboard itself. Tapos, the braided Type-C cable. At lastly, the keycap switch puller. So, nagustuhan ko tong braided cable na kasama sa RAKK Pluma dahil hindi siya madaling masira at hindi kagaya ng karaniwang cable na rubberized or plasticky na makukuha mo sa mga budget or mga cheap keyboard. But expect na madali lang to siyang madumihan dahil white. So, the keyboard itself. So, my first impression before is nagustuhan ko tong gray and dirty white color scheme dahil parang retro-ish vibe kagaya nito. Even though hindi ko pa naabutan yung mga keyboard na ganyan noon, but still, I like it. Maganda yung type experience ko sa keyboard na to. And I chose the blue switch over the red. And yeah. Blue switches are noisy and clicky, but I love the clicky sound it produces kasi, and it is just personal preference. It uses 65% layout, and in terms of functionality, hindi siya ganun ka-flexible. But pwede mo naman ma-access yung function keys like the F1 by pressing the FN key tapos yung number 1. I'll discuss more of it later. The keyboard height is adjustable and can be accessed sa baba. At dito mo na din makikita ang Bluetooth switch, and to be honest, I don't like the switch na nasa center. Dapat sana nilagay na lang nila sa side para easy access. Yung di mo na kailangan i-lift yung KB just to switch modes. Now, let's talk about the Bluetooth mode. For me, it's very convenient dahil maliit lang yung table ko. And regarding pala sa latency, if you have very keen eyes, mapapansin mo talaga. But if you are using it casually, like typing or inputting datas, hindi naman. But if you are using it in competitive games, tapos need mo talaga yung mababang latency, I recommend using wired mode instead. Personalizing, wala yung problema dito dahil si RAKK Pluma ay may individual program backlit keys kagaya sa ginawa ko by pressing the FN key and Z key or CM1 simultaneously. Hina-highlight niya yung keybinds ko na nilalaro ko na game, which is Apex Legends. And customizing lighting, only have 3 slots. So, yeah. And for further customization, pwede mo gamitin yung RAKK Pluma software para ma-customize yung macros at yung lighting modes mo. And note, nagagana lang yung effects ng software kapag naka-wired mode. So if you're trying to run the software using wireless mode, expect na hindi gagana yung effects. And yeah, let's do a typing test. So keep in mind na modded na to and my microphone is not that good. So yeah, let's proceed. Overall, okay na siya sa akin and it is much better kesa sa Red Dragon at Fantech ko noon. Plus, may wireless mode siya which is pretty convenient sa akin dahil maliit lang yung desk ko. The only problem na na-experience ko is nasa center yung Bluetooth switch which is hassle, but I can complain much sa price. So I guess that's all for today. So if may comments kayo about the keyboard itself, just comment down below. So I guess I am Michael and see you in the next video. Bye.